Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do the startup with the new exhaust. So obviously the car's off right now. Door's open so you can kind of hear it, and then I'll walk on back so you can really hear it. So here's the startup. Ready? Here goes. So obviously that's louder. So now let's go ahead and listen to it. Idle. Not too bad, idle. Let's rev it up a little bit and hear what it sounds like in the car. Let's turn off the AC here. So you can hear it. So this is what you're hearing right now. Fan's on as well. But the idle's actually kicked down, so it's actually pretty quiet. So when it warms up, it's actually pretty quiet, just sitting at idle. How about when you rev it up? Now this is different. So you can definitely hear a difference in car. Of course, my door is open, so it's not going to be as loud with your door closed, but that is essentially what it sounds like with a muffler delete on this M240i with a B58 motor. Right? Hope you enjoyed it and get a little idea of what it would be like if you did the muffler delete on your car. Keeping in mind that if you do a downpipe, it's only going to get louder. Take care.